John, I've noticed you're always so organized with your studies. How do you manage to stay on top of everything?
Thanks.
Well, Bob, I've developed a few habits that really help. For starters, I make sure to create a schedule at the beginning of each week. It helps me allocate time for studying, assignments, and personal activities. That sounds like a good idea. I always struggle with time management. Do you have any other tips?
Sure.
I also make sure to review my notes regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. It helps reinforce what I've learned that prevents me from cramming before exams. I should definitely try that. I tend to leave everything until the last minute, and then it gets overwhelming. I used to do that too, but breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks really helps. And don't forget to take breaks. It's important to give your brain some rest. Got it. Thanks for the advice. I'll start implementing these habits right away. No problem. We're all in this together. It's all about finding what works best for you.